Voilanda, my friends. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. You gotta tell your buddies what your new video. You have this really cool outfit, this jumpsuit, a harness
Jump
on.
out of a plane.
Oh my goodness.
Excited.
This is your idea?
It is my idea,
Yeah.
but he wanted to come along, so I was like, okay, well, come with me.
Yeah, you're a great partner.
Yeah.
Hey, if it's safe and legal, do you like to go fast?
Do I like to do what?
Do you like to go fast
I
if it's
do.
safe and legal?
I do.
We're about to go 130 miles an hour.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you wanna go sightseeing?
I'm ready.
2.5 miles up, my friend. We'll see you on the plane. Voilanda. We are 7,000 feet up, my friend. How you doing so far?
I'm freaking out, but I'm great.
Yeah, is the sky pretty today?
I can't see it. It's cloudy.
Yeah, I just saw a couple fools jump into it.
Yes, I did.
You ready to go play safe and legal and fast?
Yes, all the above.
There you go, my friend. We'll see you outside. Voilanda! How was that skydive?
Awesome!
Would you do it again?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, you liked it a little bit, huh?
I did.
Jeff, your favorite part?
Oh, the jumping out.
And Jimmy the Kid, sense of humor, right?
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the skies, my friend. So honored you're here today. Blue skies.